All right, guys. Hello, everyone. I'll record a quick weekend review. I'll show you my market thoughts and, well, tell you what to expect soon. Actually, I recorded the last review, I think, on Thursday and pointed out that in the 68,500 to 69,500 range, a long position would form for a bounce up. So basically, when I was recording that review, these signals weren't there yet. Then the guys from my private group, from my trading community, and well, my platform users got this clear signal. They got it at the 68,864 mark and calmly took their 2% move since the bounce went up to $71,000, which is almost a 3% move, right? Last night there were signs for opening another long. Some even jumped in, but I stopped them, and I think it's a wrong entry point because these weird abnormal imbalances towards buyers were caused by a major liquidation. A major liquidation is almost 1,700,000,000. That's a huge spike of selling into the market. And so to stop these massive sales, market makers throw in, well, they turn on their algorithms that hold the price, not letting it crash much lower. And so, because of these active algorithms, you get these 1 minute momentary imbalances. If, of course, all the indicators on the 15-minute time frame had signaled, I probably would have gone long without thinking if I'd been awake. But I was asleep, and so I didn't enter anything. And so we only had three signals in total, so we're skipping this. I've already marked this range in advance, 67 to 65,500. Most likely there'll be another batch of signals in this range, like here, when you can enter and take your 2% move. And also a little bit of advice and an explanation of who I am and what I do. I mean, many people come to my channel and demand, give us signals, give us something else. They DM me, why don't you trade alts? Guys, I don't trade alts. I'm a trader. I'm not a guesser, not one of those info scammers who'll give you 500 signals a day and push you into DMs like, let me give you a signal and you give me 50% of the profit. That's not me. I'm a trader. I show real statistics. You can check it on Hyperliquid Bitget BingX. For those who want to see the Russian stock market, it's T-Bank. Go check it out. I have open strategies in T-Bank. I'm in the top 10 best strategy authors there. So this all shows who I am, what I am, and all these results point to my professionalism. So I only make 7 to 15 trades a month, and I mostly don't put them out in public. I mean, the guys in the private community see these trades because these 7 to 15 trades bring me from 15% net income a month in the crypto market. On the stock market, it's much less because I can only trade long and I can only trade a certain number of stocks. Accordingly, the results in crypto are just amazing. My win rate in March is 100%. I've already counted 9 trades, and I think I've already posted a couple in the general channel. So basically, that's the situation. Don't expect many trades from me. I provide information that can be used to make money. I showed the previous range, showed you this range where you could enter shorts. Even if you entered from the lower boundary, you'd already be in profit. But considering I entered myself, my entry point was but $74,500. And you see that currently from $74,500, there's already been an 8.5% net move. My goal is to make precise trades. I take only 2% of the net movement. This 2% net move gives me 2.5% on the deposit in every trade. And the more of these trades I make, the more money I earn because my strategy's win rate is 100%. It's fantastic, but it's my strategy. It's private, you won't find it in the public domain. Even if you find something similar to my indicators, you still won't have this strategy. You definitely won't find anything similar because we collect data from many exchanges, aggregate it, and release it to the public, right? You might find something similar like the long-short ratio and liquidations, and even liquidations will likely be off. Everything else is our proprietary development, proprietary math, and proprietary data that you won't find anywhere else. So basically, that's how my strategy works. I show it, I explain it. So always watch the reviews carefully. I provide a lot of information that you can use to make money. That's it. Bye, everyone. Most likely tomorrow or the day after, I'll be back with another little review if there's volatility and some signals.